Hey Artys, welcome back to my channel. This is ArtyShan. For today's video, join me as I unbox this King of Artys, the Monkey D. Luffy, Gear 5 version 2. And of course, thank you to Firefish Figures for providing us this product. Check their shop, the link is on the description box down below. For the height of this figure, it is approximately 8.5 inches with its base and 6.5 inches without its base. I'm comparing it with the King of Artys, Monkey D. Luffy, base form. And now let's jump into the details of this figure, wherein Luffy is wearing his goggles. This was featured on 1070th chapter of the manga and 1101 of the anime. And for Luffy's posing, I really like it because it really shows how playful he is. For the height and details of this figure, you can't really go wrong because this is a King of Artys figure after all. The sculpting of the figure is top notch, and the size of it will make it stand out on your collection. Lastly, my only gripe about this figure is how Banpresto decided to display Luffy upside down. Kinda looks off, so Banpresto, what are you thinking? Finally, I'll be rating this figure a 9.5 out of 10 due to its base. But of course, we can make that 9.5 into a perfect 10 by upgrading it by using this base.